Hi guys, tuloy ko lang po. Welcome back ulit sa ating channel. Tuloy ko lang po yung Claiming Her Back Chapter 12. Guys, sa chapter na to may mga ano ba ito tawag dito? Sexual content ahead. So, guys, kung yung mga phone, kung naka loudspeak kayo, tapos may bata, headset na lang or lower nyo na lang yung inyong mga speaker. Okay? Since naman tayo adults, so tuloy ko po yung chapter 12, pero make sure na yung mga bata po rated SPG. Okay. Chapter 12. I got off from the phone with Franz. He kept on apologizing his sudden long absence. I assured him everything had been fine, and he made me promise to call him if I needed anything. It was already 10 p.m. and my baby was soundly sleeping now after I fed him his breast milk. We played non-stop since he woke up at dinner time. He surely got an energy of a young kid for his age. He seems to not getting tired. I heard a knock on the door, so I quickly put my silk robe on and headed out to the front door. I was only wearing my black lingerie inside. I was tired of changing. It could be landlord delivering baked cookies again. Mr. Calvin was like a grandfather to me. He always looked for us and our needs. And he always made sure that we were comfortable in our apartment and we were provided with sufficient supply of our basic needs. I opened the door and found David standing before me. He must have changed his clothes. He was wearing a dark blue polo tucked in his white trouser suit. His outfit failed to hide his muscles almost ripping out deliciously, and his jeans made his bum look hot as ever. I was trying to control my raging hormones inside my system. They seemed to have their own brains and eyes. I bit my lip while staring at his lower part. The sound of his throat made me awoken from my fantasy. He never said a word, but he grabbed my waist and he pulled me inside and gently closed the door. He sniffed my hair while keeping his hands around my waist. What's wrong with me? Why am I not moving? Do something, Olivia, I questioned myself. My body seems to enjoy his hands on me. I quickly pulled myself away and headed to the kitchen. I had no idea what to act and I was feeling tense, especially we were alone. I was pretending washing my hands when the kitchen sink pipe broke. I screamed and next thing I knew I was already drenched. David instantly came to the rescue and switched something under the counter, then the water stopped. I was completely soaking wet, so I took my robe off. I forgot I was only wearing my lingerie when I met David's dark gaze to my chest down to my body. I quickly covered myself with my arms and I saw his dilated pupils connecting to mine. In an instant, I felt a soft, sweet lips on mine. He was kissing me hard while pulling my waist closer to his body. He didn't let me go and he even hugged me more closer that I could feel his bulge already. I was hesitant to respond, but when he tried entering my mouth with his skilled tongue, I could not help it anymore. He was touching and nibbling my breast with his rough big hands and hot tongue. He carried me bridal style to the couch and put me down gently without leaving my lips. He was sucking my neck down to my breast again and I could feel the pool of wetness between my legs. He never failed to give me euphoria. Yun ba yun? My body seems to enjoy the things he had been doing to me. He was always the master. Well, he was the only man I had been with, but he never ceased to amaze me, especially in bed. I tried to undress him, but he raised my chin up, and I saw passion and fire and longing in his eyes. Are you sure, baby? He asked me softly. I knew that in response. What are you doing, Olivia? I scolded myself. I could not stop. I had to do this or I would get insane. I have to get you ready first, like super ready, he said while smiling sexily and then went down on his knees. I was lying on the couch panting and trying to catch some oxygen. He showered kisses on my womb, and I tried covering the marks with my hands, but he shoved them away and continued kissing them. No, baby, don't cover them. I love them. These marks are the reminders that I will be forever grateful of you for carrying our son to this world. I squeezed his hands, his voice, and even made me come this instant. He continued and pulled out my tongue with his teeth. I met his sexy eyes while removing the thin materials. He never let me utter and just dropped down to my and licked me hard. So wet already, he murmured. You are amazing, sleek baby, so ready as always. He lapped me once more and never stopped. He kept on sucking and licking my juices so hard, and I felt his finger entering me. I was screaming his name with pleasure. Yes, babe, that's it. That's my name. Scream my name more. I could not control my voice. My brain was fuzzy, and I was screaming so hard. He parted my legs more wider, and he put one leg over his shoulder. His finger was continuously entering me in and out. You are incredibly drenched now, baby. He smiled victoriously. You want more? His husky voice asked me again, but I could not respond. It was too much to handle. My body was on fire and it was burning me deliciously. More, baby, he asked again. I just kept nodding. Say my name, baby. He continued lapping my and I could not hold it anymore. I screamed his name as I reached the ecstasy. Excellent, so beautiful, baby. He was now back on top of me and was not wearing anything anymore. His cock was swelling and I watched his precum oozing out. I touched the tip of his cock that looked like a pink mushroom and I slid my palm down to his hard, thick, swollen shaft. He groaned. His face looked very distorted. I love it, baby. More, please, he pleaded. I didn't waste any time, so I went above him and tasted his juice. It has been a while since I did this. I sucked his cock in and out of my mouth. His groans became wild and hot and crazy. I increased my pace and bobbed my head down his cock and I gave him deep throat. Fuck, baby. I was kneeling in front of him and he held my head to control my face. I need you now, baby, he said while pulling me up and laid my back on the couch. The innocent couch. He entered me in one swift move. I felt so full and immensely satiated. Baby, you're so tight. Are you okay? He said with worried face. I just nodded. Please move, David. Baby, I might hurt you. I smiled to let him know I was feeling so great under him. He wrapped my legs around his waist. How long has it been, baby? Since you, I said while panting. He was still inside me. Oh, baby, I'm happy to know that, he said with tears brimming on the side of his eyes. I was moving my hips forward. Baby, you might get hurt, he whispered on my ear. I'm sure it will be worth it, I told him with seductive voice. It's now or never. He still looked hesitant. Will you F me now or I'll F you instead? I warned him, giving him frustrated glares. Baby, I will never F you. I always make love to you. His lips met mine. Then do it, I commanded. He started his pace slowly. The momentum increased every second. My brain was twirling and my stomach and feathers tickling me inside. His thrust successfully reached all sides of my walls and my pee felt so overwhelmed. We were both panting while he was sucking my neck. It's Okay, sorry. Each shove was powerful that made us sweat so lusciously. In one final thrust, he spilled all his seeds inside me and met my own climax. My body was quivering so good. My limbs were numb and I could not think straight anymore. He pulled his cock out and cuddled me closer. I hugged him back while he was kissing my neck and my head. That was, I could complete my sentence. Beyond excellent as always, baby. He ended it. We were both naked, no blanket, no cover us. My body was still not against him. I closed my eyes, praying that I will forgive myself from this insanity. Guys, sorry talaga yung iba guys, hindi ko talaga binanggit kasi mamaya. Kasi napansin ko may bata eh. Kasi bakit dito pa ako nagbasa, no? So, sorry talaga. Bali guys, thank you ulit at sa masusunod marami pa pong pangyayaring aabangan. Hindi na po ako dito magbabasa so para mabasa ko siya ng maayos. And thank you again. Subscribe, like, and share and click the bell below kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating story. Thank you. Bye!